Friends, welcome back to the channel, and today we got a PS4 and this PS4 is having no power. When I check the physically, there is no screws, one screw here, one screw here. Let's open it out and check inside. Before that, we'll check once again if there is power or not. You can check there is no power. Even I am pressing the eject key, it's not powering on, and in power key there is no power. Now let's open it out and see what's going on inside. As there is no screw, I think this PS4 has been taken to some other service center, and I think he or whoever had checked this PS4, he couldn't fix it. So what is the problem? We'll figure it out after opening this PS4. Okay, there are two locks in this PS4, and you have to remove the one lock is opened using this tool. Now I'll open with the tweezer, the other lock. So it's open. In this PS4, what I see is there is some liquid in this SMPS. I'll show it in close view. See, there is a liquid sign. I think the liquid has dropped in this board, and this is the SMPS, the main power supply of the PS4. What I'll do is I'll first replace this SMPS, but before that, when I opened, what I found is there is no screw here, and here. I think this PS4 has been checked before, but I don't know that they had replaced the PS4 SMPS or not. What I'll do is I'll first replace the SMPS and check if the power is there or not. If power comes, then the fault is of PS4 SMPS. There is no screw in this PS4, so it's very easy to remove this SMPS. I got a new SMPS, and here is that SMPS. I'll insert this and I'll check it out if it works or not. Then I'll find some screw and I'll screw it up. If this PS4 boots up, let's try. Let's install properly. Yeah, now it's beeping. See, it's working. The fan has been started spinning and PS4 is working. The only fault in this PS4 was with the power supply, and it's working perfectly fine. Right now I don't have a monitor. If I have a monitor, then I would check the display too. So friends, this was the way to check the PS4 if there is no power supply. Then first thing is you need to change the SMPS, but in this case what we found was there was already liquid in this SMPS, so the doubt was with the SMPS. I replaced the SMPS and now it's working perfectly fine. Alright friends, let's wrap it up, and I got the screws from the donor PS4, and now I'll wrap it up. Okay friends, today the customer brought a PS4 Fat which was totally dead, and I tried using a power cable. It was not booting up, and when I disassembled the PS4, what I found was there was no screw in the PS4. The customer might have shown this PS4 to some other shop, but when I checked the power supply, there was a liquid which was dried up, and I replaced the PS4 SMPS, the power supply, and it started functioning properly. And in this PS4, the fault was only the SMPS. So friends, this was a video for today. If you like this video, please like the video and do share this video, and please subscribe our channel. We are in target to reach 1000k 1k subscribers, sorry. 1k subscriber. And till that time, bye and Jai Hind.